I hope this video bullet. I hate bullets. सुबह सुबह यार. Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So it's 9:30 in the morning and I just got up. I was just about to hit the shower. That's when I thought I'll film a video today regarding dandruff and how to deal with dandruff because it's hair wash day for me today. So lately I've been using only tea tree related products for my hair to deal with my dandruff issues. I've been using tea tree oils, tea tree masks, tea tree shampoos and conditioners and all of that. So today I'm going to be masking my hair, and the mask that I'm going to be using is by Mamaearth. This is their tea tree hair mask. This is specially formulated to deal with dandruff and itchy scalp. Now I get a lot of dandruff during the winters and during the summers also, because my dandruff is not usually caused by the dryness of my scalp, but it's more due to scalp infections. So even right now if I show you my hair, it's like pretty oily, and in spite of that I have a lot of dandruff. So as you can see, it's not dry at all. It's like very oily. And can you see the amount of dandruff that I have? That's a lot, right? So that is how much dandruff I get during the winters and also during the summers, because of oiliness of my hair, because of sweaty hair and all of that. And I usually use tea tree products to deal with that. So I'm going to be using this Mamaearth tea tree mask on my scalp and also to the hair next to my scalp. And I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off using a sulfate free shampoo. You should always go for sulfate free shampoos because they are more gentle on the hair. So as you can see, I've finished a little bit of the tea tree hair mask. I've gone through about 4 or 5 uses of the hair mask and I'm using it again. So you just want to apply it on your scalp like that and then just spread it all across. It's got a very calming and soothing smell, and it makes your bathing experience really good. So the main ingredients of this hair mask are tea tree, which contains antibacterial and antifungal properties which help to fight dandruff without really drying out your scalp. This also contains lemon oil, which helps to maintain the pH balance of your scalp, so that prevents your scalp from becoming too oily or too dry. It just maintains the pH level of your scalp. This also contains argan oil, which is very nourishing and moisturizing for your hair, so it prevents drying of your hair, especially like during the winter time. And this also contains cedarwood oil, which again has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to fight dandruff, and yeah, it overall helps in nourishing your hair as well. So I'm done with applying the tea tree mask all over my scalp and also to the hair next to my scalp, because that's where I have most of the dandruff. And I'm going to leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. Apart from the tea tree mask, I also love using this Mamaearth Bring Amla hair mask. This is also an amazing mask for deep nourishment of your hair, and as you can see, I've literally finished almost all of it. I just have like one single use left out of it, and I'm probably gonna use this like next week because I love using this once in every 15 days for like deeply nourishing my hair. They also have an argan hair mask variant and also an onion hair mask variant, so you can check out any of those depending upon your needs. Right now I'm like looking to fight dandruff, so that's why I'm using the tea tree mask. So I'm just going to leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off in the shower using a sulfate free shampoo. Currently I'm using the Mamaearth tea tree shampoo, so I'm going to use that, which is sulfate free. And then I'm going to be back and basically show you guys how much dandruff has reduced in one single use of this tea tree mask. Okay, so I'm back after washing my hair, and firstly, just look at the bounce of my hair. It looks so bouncy and so voluminous. All of the excessive oiliness on my scalp has been completely removed, and my scalp doesn't even feel dry at the same time. So that is exactly what this tea tree hair mask does. It balances out the oiliness and the dryness of your scalp. It eliminates the dandruff without really drying out your scalp. So let me just show you the situation of the dandruff on my hair. So as you can see, like, most of the dandruff has been removed. You can barely see like 1 or 2 flakes here and there, but most of it has already been removed. So that is how good this tea tree hair mask is in eliminating all of that dandruff in just one single go. And if you like use it 2 or 3 times a week, then you're probably gonna get rid of all of the dandruff from your scalp. So that is how effective it is. That is how quick and efficiently it works on your hair in removing all of the dandruff. And the best part is that this is free from harsh chemicals like parabens and silicone, and it's made of a lot of natural ingredients. And in case if you want to buy it and save on some money, then you can use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, on Mamaearth's website to get a 20% off. Apart from that, you can also find this on Amazon and Nykaa. And if you shop from Mamaearth's website, they will link your order to a tree that they'll plant, and they actually have this initiative of planting more than 1 million trees by the end of 2025. So they're doing a lot of good to the environment, and moreover, Mamaearth is also a plastic positive brand. They recycle a lot of plastic. They actually recycle more than 120 metric tons of plastic every single month. 1 metric ton is like 1000 kg, so you can imagine how much plastic they recycle every single month. So it's a very environment friendly brand, and their products are really effective. I use a lot of Mamaearth products, and they actually work in just 1 or 2 single uses. So I highly recommend you check out this Mamaearth tea tree hair mask in case if you have dandruff on your scalp. It's really effective. It's going to help you out in just 1 single use itself. So yeah, that is my review on this Mamaearth tea tree hair mask, and that is how effective it is in removing dandruff. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it was, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and follow me on Instagram. Also, do let me know in the comment section below which other products would you like me to review. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. I shall see you in my next video.